As anticipation builds around Apple's September 2025 keynote, new leaks of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are giving us a fresh look at what could be one of the most visually dramatic redesigns in years. A hands-on dummy unit spotted online confirms a bold new rear layout, and it's not just the camera that's stealing attention. Magnifying glass tilted left camera island gets a massive makeover. Say goodbye to the compact camera clusters of recent years. The iPhone 17 Pro now features a full-width camera island, sometimes nicknamed a camera visor, stretching across the back, reminiscent of older Poco designs. While the sensor layout itself seems unchanged from the iPhone 16 Pro, the enlarged housing creates a bolder visual statement that's sure to divide opinions. Camera same triple lens layout, but housed in a larger, unified module. I's design influence nods to Android flagships, but with Apple finesse. Gemstones still expected to offer industry-leading camera performance. Brick aluminum takes center stage. In a surprising shift, Apple may finally be parting ways with its long affair with titanium and stainless steel. Reports point to a sleek aluminum frame for both the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, likely aimed at reducing weight and cost without sacrificing durability or premium feel. Green Apple logo relocation, small detail, big debate. Apple is no stranger to design tweaks, but this one's sparking heated conversation. The logo may be relocated lower on the back, placed neatly between the bottom of the device and the new camera module. It's a subtle shift, but for die-hard Apple design fans, even minor changes can be monumental. Whether this new placement is a smart visual balancing act or a branding misstep, one thing's for sure, it's got the internet talking. Brain final take. If these leaks prove true, the iPhone 17 Pro lineup will deliver not just under-the-hood upgrades, but also a bold design evolution. From the stretched camera visor to the logo placement and material switch, Apple seems ready to shake things up, visually and structurally. But as always, true judgment will come once the real device is in hand. And with September around the corner, expect leaks, comparisons, and hot takes to surface faster than ever.